To turn on snore detection on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, first of all, you will have to start by opening Watch Settings in the Galaxy Wearable application for sure. Now go to the Health application and over here select Sleep Measurement. Then click on this switcher to enable snore detection, and you will have to grant permission into the Samsung Health application. So select while using the application. By the way, snoring detection increases phone battery consumption because this is going to be recorded by your phone. So keep in mind that you have to put your phone close to your bed when you are going to sleep. And here you can set up the detect snoring feature, so always or once per sleep session. And over here you can find option to record audio, so you will be able even to play it if you are snoring. And all of those things about snoring you can find in the Samsung Health application by going to the home, and when we scroll down we can find sleep. Then over here we can find everything about our sleep time, and by clicking here we can also check the sleep time, snoring and sleep score.